Just arrived at the block and got to get in a lift, and we're one floor up. So this is a room tour of the Bloc Hotel, room 774. Yeah, I've got my key here, so I'm just going to open the door. And then you come in, you've got a floor-length mirror here. And straight next to it you have the bathroom with a walk-in shower. There we go. Nice shower, you've got some shower gel there. Hot and cold. Big mirror again. And then you come around here, you've got the light, got the sink. This is like a wet room, so basically when you're having a shower there isn't a curtain or anything, you're literally in this room, but there is sufficient draining there. So that's the bathroom. This is the door. You come out the bathroom, and then on the back of the door you've got the escape plan, you've got a hairdryer, and you've got 2 coat hangers. Then you turn, and I've got a coffee machine. I've been upgraded, so they've given me a coffee machine, and you've got various teas and coffees. There's plenty of room for storage underneath this long desk. However, we're using twilight check-in with BA, so our suitcases are just ready to go down to BA's check-in shortly. Then you've got a chair here. Then literally as you come in, you're going to see the bed, and I've got a room with a view, so I'll show you that in a second. You've then got this really cool block light. We've also been given free water and the Bloc magazine, and then this is a desk as well. This also has a pull-out chair, which I can't really pull out, but there's the pull-out chair. Everything is operated via this iPad type thing, so I can turn out all the lights here. I can put the bed light on, the toilet light, I can turn all of them off, all of them on. I can control the air conditioning from here as well. Just behind the waters you've also got 2 USB ports and 2 plug sockets, which is always handy. Got a television remote because at the end of the bed there is a television, which is really handy. Towels are on the bed. They've got like this lovely purple fluorescent light here. And then the view I have is, if I can get over there, don't know if you can see, but I have the aircraft, and I'll be going on one of those in the morning. So that's the view I have from my bedroom window. So yeah. So just to give you an idea, I originally booked the sleep room, which didn't have a view, and it was just the double bed and the bathroom. I then upgraded us myself. It was £10 to upgrade to this room, which just had a view. And then when we checked in, they actually upgraded us to a Vista Plus room, which gave us in-room tea and coffee as well, and a bit more room. So overall, it was actually quite good value. This room that I booked was £122, I think, for the night. I did book this about a year out though. But as you can see, lots of room, lots of space, really good room. This room I think is excellent value for money. It is a slightly larger room than the sleep room I had originally booked. As I say, it was a free upgrade, which was a really nice surprise. And this particular room does come with tea and coffee, however not all of the rooms do. There is a separate room along the corridor area which will actually take you into like a coffee break room, where you can actually get free hot drinks if you don't have that facility in your room. But overall, excellent value for money, and it should be quite a comfortable night's sleep. When you're staying at the Bloc Hotel, you are given various discounts, which include 20% off at Witherspoons, 10% at Cafe Nero, and various other discounts. All you have to do is just show your room key and they will apply the discounts at the time of paying for anything. So that's also another really great perk. The other perk that you do also receive is free premium security access. So in the morning I have quite an early flight, and that's going to be really, really good because I can bypass all the queues for the security. I do have the premium security, which is normally £8 on the day. So that's also another perk. And incidentally, that is right next to the reception area of this hotel. So I don't even have to walk 10 steps to get to it. So another great perk. So all in all, I think this is an excellent value for money room, especially as it is inside the London's Gatwick South Terminal. And as I say, should be a good night's sleep. So I hope you enjoyed the room tour. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please click on subscribe to see all my future vlogs coming up soon. Thank you, bye. Just to give you an idea, this was the Bloc Hotel reception and they were absolutely fantastic. So yeah, and then we get free premium security, which is literally next door to the hotel.